if you're experiencing frame stuttering in Baldur's Gate 3, follow these steps to optimize your game performance. This guide will help you adjust settings and improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the official website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers. Installing the latest drivers can significantly improve performance and reduce stuttering. Step 2. Adjust in-game graphics settings. Launch Baldur's Gate 3 and navigate to the graphics settings menu. Lower the graphics quality settings such as texture quality, shadow quality, and anti-aliasing. Reducing these settings can help your system run the game more smoothly. Step 3. Enable VSync or frame rate limit. In the graphics settings, look for an option to enable VSync or set a frame rate limit. Enabling VSync can help synchronize the frame rate with your monitor's refresh rate, reducing tearing and stuttering. Step 4. Close background applications. Before starting the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources, allowing Baldur's Gate 3 to utilize more CPU and RAM, which can help reduce stuttering. Step 5. Check system requirements. Ensure that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Baldur's Gate 3. If your hardware is below the recommended specifications, consider upgrading components like RAM, CPU, or GPU for a better gaming experience. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in frame stuttering while playing Baldur's Gate 3. Enjoy your adventure in the Forgotten Realms.